You'll be amazed by my method of growing cucumbers at home. It's simple, easy, and the harvest is even higher than growing them in the field. With just recycled materials and proper care, you can grow plenty of fresh, clean cucumbers for your family. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's grow something beautiful together. If you don't know how to grow and care for cucumbers at home for high yield, make sure to watch this video until the end. I'm sure you'll be amazed by the results you can achieve. To grow strong young cucumber plants, I always choose mature, high-quality seeds for germination. This helps the seedlings sprout better and grow much faster. I cut a piece of aloe vera, split it in half, and place it into the potting soil for germination. Then I sprinkle the seeds on top, cover them with a thin layer of soil, and gently mist with water to keep the moisture. This helps the seeds sprout much faster. I recycled a 20-liter container to grow tomatoes. It saves space and holds plenty of soil, helping the plants grow stronger and produce more. I used a hole punch tool to reopen the clogged holes, keeping the container well ventilated so the roots can grow better. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. I punch small holes around the water bottle and cut it in half to create a kitchen waste chamber. As the waste breaks down, nutrients slowly seep through the holes and feed the plant naturally. To help the plant grow strong from the start, I mix worm castings into the soil. Worm castings make the soil richer, softer, and easier for the roots to absorb nutrients, helping the plant grow faster and healthier. After a few days of germination, the seeds have sprouted and grown into healthy seedlings. I carefully moved them and planted them into the pot with soil. Now I add worm castings to the base of the plant to boost nutrients, helping it grow stronger and root faster. I add more soil around the base to keep the plant steady and support stronger root growth. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. I add kitchen scraps into the bottle to compost them. As the scraps decompose, they turn into organic fertilizer that slowly seeps out through the small holes, giving the plant natural nutrients. To boost the plant's nutrition, I mix liquid fertilizer with water and water the roots. This liquid fertilizer is made from fermented sea fish, so it's extremely nutrient-dense and helps the plant grow stronger and produce more fruits. At this stage, the plant is growing very fast, so I set up a bamboo trellis to give it space to climb. This helps the plant stay supported, grow more easily, and produce a higher yield. After finishing the trellis, I use zip ties to secure the plant to the support. This keeps the plant stable, helps it climb properly, and ensures strong growth as it starts to produce fruit. I added worm compost to the base of the plant to boost nutrients, helping it grow stronger and healthier. This is the stage where the plant is flowering and setting fruit, so I hand pollinate by transferring pollen from the male flower to the female one. This simple method boosts the fruit set rate to nearly 95%. One small comment from "You can make this garden bloom brighter." Now I use zip ties to secure the plant to the trellis, helping it climb in the right direction and stay neat within the frame. I added more soil around the base and watered the plant, helping it stay firm, stay moist, and grow stronger. To help the plant focus all its nutrients on fruiting, I removed the old leaves and unnecessary side shoots growing near the base. Your one like keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. It's amazing! With this simple care method, I was able to harvest plenty of cucumbers right at home for my family. Safe, fresh, and cost-saving, no need to buy them from the market anymore. If you find this video helpful, try growing your plants using my method. I'm sure you'll be amazed by the results you get. Every comment, every subscribe is a small seed of hope. Thank you.
Thank you.